Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a gradient in Illustrator. I'm just going to create this shape. Then I'm just going to select the gradient, which is this one, and I'm just going to click on it. If you went to the windows and search for gradient, you can also change the gradient style that you want. This is the line one. This one's the radial one, and this is just the free kind of pattern. You can add points and kind of move it around and change the colors of the gradient. So pink, for instance. Well, I like this color combo, pink and green and orange. Okay, but you can change the colors here by just double clicking on it. And yeah, that is how you can create a gradient on Adobe Illustrator. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.